Namaste everyone. Today we will dive into the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, a timeless classic written by Yogi Swatmaramji. This 15th century text is a treasure trove of insights on asanas, pranayama, mudras and bandhas, and Naga Anusandhana. It's a foundational guide to Hatha Yoga. This text isn't just ancient history, it's a practical guide. It helps us understand the physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of yoga. It is a classical manual on Hatha Yoga written by Yogi Swatmaramji, a sadhu belonging to Gorakh Panth. Said to be the oldest surviving text on the Hatha Yoga, it is one of the three classic texts of Hatha Yoga, the other two being the Ghiran Samhita and Shiv Samhita. We had already covered the Patanjali Yoga Sutra in Yoga Darshana, where every chapter is considered as Pada. In Ghiran Samhita, we consider chapters as sadhanas. We had covered 7 chapters in Ghiran Samhita, and in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, it is termed as Adhyaya. And here in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, we term chapters as Upadesha. This text is divided into 4 chapters called Upadeshas, and it is often termed as Chaturanga Yoga or Raj Yoga. In chapter 1, that is Upadesha 1, Swami Swatmaramji describes 15 asanas and recommends dietary habits. It is dedicated to Lord Adinath, Lord Shiva, who is believed to have imparted the secret of Hatha Yoga to his divine consort Parvati Mata. In Hatha, Ha means sun and Tha means moon, as per the opinion of some scholars. Hatha Yoga practice harmonizes Pingla Nadi and Ida Nadi in the body, or the solar Surya and lunar Chandra energies within us, to elevate to a level of higher consciousness. Some scholars are of the opinion that Hatha Yoga has been originated from the Natha Yogi tradition of Shivaism. The prominent Hatha Yogic texts include Hatha Yoga Pradipika by Swami Swatmaramji, Goraksh Shatakam, Goraksh Samhita, Siddhi Samhita Paddhati of Gorakhnath, Ghiran Samhita of sage Ghirint, Yag Daravali of Adi Shankaracharya ji, Hatha Ratnavali of Srinivasa Bhatta Mahayogendra, Shiv Samhita, etc. Hatha is meant for balancing the moon and sun energies in us. It is a science which activates the third central nerve channel Sushumna, which is the path to attain enlightenment. The Hatha Yogis practice focuses on control over the physical body and its functions. Hatha Yoga Pradipika is a unique work on Hatha Yoga by Swami Swatmaramji in 15th century CE. After salutation to Lord Shiva, Swatmaramji begins the first chapter. He expresses his deep gratitude to the sages of the past, Matsendra ji, Gorakshnath ji, etc., who became immortal through practice of yoga and are still able to roam in this universe. Swatmaramji tells that the purpose of Hatha Yoga is to achieve success in Raj Yoga. Swami Swatmaramji have suggested following 15 postures in his text, that is Swastikasan, Gomukhasan, Veerasan, Kurmasan, Kukutasan, Uttan Kurmasan, Dhanurasan, Matsendrasan, Paschimuttanasana, Mayurasan, and Shavasana. Out of the 84 asanas taught by Lord Shiva, Swatmaramji explains the 4 most important ones as follows: Siddha asanas, in which Vajrasana, Mukutasanas, Muktasana, and Guptasana; Padmasana, that is lotus pose; Simhasana, lion pose; Bhadrasana, that is Goraksh asana, Baddhakon asana. This asana destroys all diseases. Adhak Tattva, as defined in chapter 1 in Hatha Yoga Pradipika by Swami Swatmaramji, are the 6 fundamental principles that ensure success in Hatha Yoga practice. They include enthusiasm, utsaha, courage, sahas, patience, dharya, knowledge, tattva jnana, firm determination, nishchay, and avoiding the company of ordinary people, that is jansang parityag. Along with Sadhak Tattva, Swami Swatmaramji also outlines 6 Badhak Tattvas, that is obstacles or factors that destroy yoga practice and hinders progress. These are 6 in numbers. They are Ati Ahara, that is overeating, Priyasa, overexertion, Prajalpa, that is talkativeness, Niyamagraha, that is rigid rules, Jan Sangh, that is public socializing, and Lolya, that is fickleness. Unsteadiness, a wavering, fickle mind that cannot commit to one practice or goal. It also implies a mind seeking instant gratification or changing techniques too quickly. These 6 factors increase rajas, activity or passion, or tamas, that is lethargy or ignorance in the practitioner, destroying the mental stability and physical purity necessary for success in Hatha Yoga. That's a wrap on today's topic of Hatha Yoga Pradipika, in which we had covered 15 asanas, Sadhak Tattva and Badhak Tattva. Rest we will continue in our next video. Thank you for joining.